Well, this is a pretty expansive study that they're doing right now. They're taking samples from here in Northern California all the way to Bakersfield. And what River Partners is trying to accomplish here at Dos Rios State Park, that's California's newest state park actually, is to get a clear picture of just how many species and what kinds of species are living here. We followed along with the team as they collected 2 samples yesterday, although that's really just scratching the surface about the kinds of species that might be here. Environmental DNA, aka eDNA. From the soil to the water, eDNA is everywhere, left behind from skin cells, waste, hair, and everything in between, by animals and microorganisms.
We have a pretty good idea of what some of the wildlife looks like.
Dos Rios is California's newest state park. Thousands of species have called the area home for decades. But only for the past year has the community gotten a glimpse at their habitat. And River Partners restoration ecologist Haley Mertz says from above and below the surface, there's likely more than meets the eye. The park is home to red-tailed hawks, tree swallows, deer, fox, and native birds. But this study could identify dozens more species that also call the park home.
We've got a pretty big diversity and a pretty good understanding of these big animals. What we're hoping that the eDNA fills in are some of the little critters that are harder to sample for.
Species like soil microorganisms, mice, and plants. We followed along 2 sample collections. One along the bank of what used to be part of the Tuolumne River, but has been disconnected for decades.
It provides a lot of benefits to the wildlife, and so we want to sample both in these older portions, these remnant forests on the property, and we also want to sample in the restoration project.
And sample 2. Just a few thousand yards separate the 2 sites, but the eDNA will tell different stories.
That's actually within the part of Dos Rios that's been restored.
Majority of the acreage at Dos Rios used to be in agriculture, but it was replanted back in 2020. And 5 years later, River Partners is here sampling the restored forest to see how it compares to areas like Sample 1 that have been around for decades. The work happening here now giving a glimpse into the past while helping determine how the area can be preserved for years to come. And once the samples are collected, they'll be packaged and stored in a cool space before being transferred to CalEDNA. That's a lab at UC Santa Cruz. Now, all of these samples are being tested in the springtime, but River Partners plans to return in the summer so that they can collect new samples during those more hot and drier months to see how that impacts the composition and the species living here. Live from Dos Rios State Park, covering local news that matters, Chloe Curtis, Fox 40 News.
Super cool.
Yeah.
See what's actually living there.
You were calling it CSI.
CSI, Dos Rios. Okay, cheesy name, but you know, it's kind of fun. Chloe, thank you. All right.